Okay, final question of number 4. So a rectangle has a perimeter of 200 centimeters. The length s centimeters on one side of this rectangle is uniformly distributed between 30 and 80. Okay, let's just take a note of that. We could say, oops, not x. We could say that s is uniformly distributed between 30 and 80. Now, find the probability that the length of the shorter side of the rectangle is less than 45. So this is kind of like a bit of arithmetic. I mean, if you're going to find property one side is shorter than the other one, then the other side must be longer to guarantee a perimeter of 200. So let's just have a think about it. If we drew a rectangle right now, and we want to guarantee that the side, let's say is 45, is less than 45, this means this length must be greater than 55. Why? Because we want to have a total perimeter of 200 in the end. These two make 100, so these two must be 100. So whatever this is, this will be the remainder. So effectively, to guarantee this statement, we need to ensure that this probability and this probability both hold to guarantee 200 centimeters. So let's say that. So we can say find the probability that s is less than 45 plus the probability that s is greater than 55 centimeters. We ensure that we're going to have 200 centimeters. Now what is this? So this is just simply the uniform function, the cumulative function. So we can say with the parameters 30 and 80, we can express this one as f45 plus, and this is actually 1 minus f55. Okay, so that's what we have here. This one is easy. This is just 45 minus alpha, which is 30, over beta minus alpha, and then 1 minus, and same thing here. So this would be 55 minus alpha over beta minus alpha. So I'll just make a note there. So that's how it works, and the uniform distribution is given to be 30 to 80. So actually this wasn't too bad. We just have to guarantee these proportions really. Now putting this in a calculator, well, this should give you 3/10. This should give you half. So effectively 3/10 plus 1 minus a half should give us 4/5. And that's it, guys. This is the end of the paper, end of the question.